So if you join any company, they give one website writing for title and description. So any company writing for title and description for your new website. First of all, you're writing title, description, and home page is a must and should important. The home page total will be covered by your home page option. Your total website, what are the options will be writing. So where you can target locations, everything covered by where your home page is the first. So that is called your writing home page will be called. One is called your title, second will be called your description. Title will be writing for total 60 characters, description writing for total 300, the display only for 160 characters. What is mean by title? Suppose I'm searching for book your properties. So I'm searching for book your properties in Hyderabad. See the top 10 apartments in Hyderabad. So this J Atlas Services Apartment in Hyderabad. What I'm writing for book your properties in Hyderabad. So this all we can select by your title. So I can select by properties that is called flats, houses, apartments, and villas. So I can select one keyword is called in a total one keyword. All keyword will be covered. Total one title and one description. I can see here. I'm selecting what document. Select here. So same one. I can copy this. What is called? Resale independent house in Hyderabad. 3 BHK independent house for sale in Hyderabad. Now, you're writing for any kind of title. See this one. Keyword 1, keyword 2, and keyword 3. So, just what I'm searching here, resale 1, 2, 3. What is sale for? Resale independent house 3 BHK. Resale independent house 2 BHK. Why? 2 BHK, 3 BHK, independent house. Now, independent house villa in Hyderabad. Why? Here will be there villa. Is it clear? In a total title, you can cover by the all information. If I am say for 1 BHK flats in Hyderabad, is there? 2 BHK flats for sale in Hyderabad, is there? 3 BHK flats for sale in Hyderabad, is there? So the 1 BHK apartments in Hyderabad, 2 BHK apartments in Hyderabad, 2 BHK villas for sale in Hyderabad, 3 BHK villas for sale in Hyderabad. So people anything search, they're showing for total my keywords. My keyword will be showing will be like this. Now see here. In one line I'm writing for this all titles. Flats for sale, independent house, villas. What is called? Resale for 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. The resale by writing for second hand. We're writing for flats and we're writing for properties. Anything writing for where? On your this option. In one title, how many keywords are there? 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. In this one, we can writing for so many things. 1 BHK independent villas for sale in Hyderabad. One keyword. 3 BHK independent villas for sale in Hyderabad. So keywords are increased using only for one title, but our title using only for 160 characters. That is called. I'm writing for this title will be two ways. Copy this title. Just wait for a second. So I'm writing for title will be 60 characters. Description writing for up to 300 character will showing only 160 characters. Now see here. Resale 1, 2, 3 BHK flats, apartments for sale in Hyderabad. Here flats and apartment we can writing for pipe symbol, and 1, 2, 3. We give for pipe symbol. What is called? Pipe means R. 1 R, 2 R, 3 BHK flats are apartments for sale in Hyderabad. Now one title we can show for how many keywords? 6 keywords and 2. How many? 8 keywords. Based on description, remaining keywords will be showing for in this one. Here another keywords will be called 4, 5 BHK independent house and villas. That is called comma villas in book your properties. Here the best property sites in Telangana, Hyderabad by sale residential and commercial properties in writing for number of location. Madhapur, Nagar, Gachibowli, and etc. So based on your title description, your keyword will be selected. You can add your multiple location and add it for Hyderabad location. So this is called right set by your title and description. Title using for pipe symbol is called R. Description will using for comma symbol. Please note on this title and description. So based on the website, I'm writing for this title and description. Here the cover for the total keywords. This keyword we can promote using for SEO off page. Your title based on description, make it on the total keywords. Search for the volume on the way. AdWords for starting for low value promotion using SEO off page. Promote your website. Generating for leads using search engine optimization, social media optimization, search engine marketing and social media marketing and email marketing. So this is called select your title and description on particular website. Your home page is the first important. Next, remaining pages.